In Chinese, we say 红色,红色. In English, we say red, red. In Chinese, we say 绿色,绿色. In English, we say green, green. In Chinese, we say 橙色,橙色. In English, we say orange, orange. In Chinese, we say 蓝色,蓝色. In English, we say blue, blue. In Chinese, we say 白色,白色. In English, we say white, white. In Chinese, we say 黄色,黄色. In English, we say yellow, yellow. In Chinese, we say 咖啡色,咖啡色. In English, we say brown, brown. In Chinese, we say 黑色,黑色. In English, we say black, black. In Chinese, we say 紫色,紫色. In English, we say purple, purple. In Chinese, we say 灰色,灰色. In English, we say gray, gray.